live at 51 Pumpkin Drive North, and there is a homeless camp right in front of me, and two of the people living in the tents, or one of them's attacking the other with a knife. Can you send somebody so nobody dies? 51 Huntington Drive North is the address that I live at, and it's right across the street in the center median
Who's the person?
grass area.
Who's the person that has the knife? Is it a male or female?
The male.
Black, white, Hispanic,
The male.
other?
The Hispanic male wearing a baseball cap, white t-shirt, jeans, probably 5'10".
And he's attempting to stab somebody else?
Yeah, he's attacking a female with a knife.
Does she appear to need paramedics?
I don't think so. She was the one that asked me for help.
About how? She has blood on her?
I said I did not see any blood.
Okay. About how old does he look?
How old does he look? 30?
Stay on the line, don't hang up. Let me talk to the officer really quick. What does the victim look like? She's black, white, Hispanic, another?
Hispanic female, probably 40.
Calling the cadence is 483, 483. He doesn't suspect there now. 51 Huntington Drive North, 51 Huntington Drive North. Suspect are in the center median, male Hispanic, 5'10", wearing a baseball cap, white shirt, jeans, attempted to stab a victim, female Hispanic, 40 years. So 3 incident 34, 42, 409.
Rock.
Listen to me. Listen to me. Get down on your knees. Get down on your knees.
Not get on your knees and comply, I will beanbag you.
No, okay. Okay, stay right there then. Turn around.
Get on your knees, buddy.
No, just wait. We're not trying to hurt you, okay? Just follow what I'm telling you to do. Turn around. Face that way. Face the palms. Face the cars. Turn around. Just listen to what I gotta tell you. Turn around and face the cars. Face away from me. Just turn around. We're not trying to hurt you. Turn around. Volteate. Date la vuelta y volteate. Volteate, por favor. Turn around. Just turn around. Volteate. Turn around.
Respond west, now Huntington Drive North from Lofer.
Yeah, that's okay, but like, we get the shot.
What's your name? What's your name? ¿Cómo te llamas? Marco Antonio? Marco Antonio, escúchame. Volteate, por favor. Voltearte. ¿Mande? No te oigo. ¿Ah? Turn around. All I'm asking you is turn around. He's walking away.
Southbound. We do have a unit pulling up right now. Yeah, just walk right across. Attempting to make contact.
I got a taser.
There's additional unit on the line on your right-hand side of the southbound.
I got a taser right behind you.
Hey, get on the ground! Get on the ground, man! Hey, get on the ground!
one not complying. All units code 4, 945 West Manchester.
Give me your hand. Take your hand down, man.
Controller taking the suspect into custody now.
Hey, get an RA.
Alright, mate, so there's going to be a call for something in custody. Can we get an RA for a meal in Hispanic? Approximately 40-year-old, custom duty.
Got knife right here.
Custom duty.
Thank you, sir. Okay. All right.